Now the other thing I'd like you to do is similarly is I'd like you to analyze the teardown and setup of our connection, right? So we're gonna kind of do a little bit different filter here. We'll add a filter for the TCP dot port being equal to 80. So that means we're only going to show traffic on 80. We're going to use -v for verbose. It's going to show us a lot more information in that packet capture. And we're going to look for just certain fields. So we're going to look for, we're curious, you know, we want to see what's going on with SYN, ACK, and what else, and FIN, right? Because we know that those are the flags in TCP where it's tearing down or it's creating and tearing down that session. So that should just show us the packets where it's tearing down and building the sessions. So you should be able to analyze this and kind of see how those sessions are being created, and you can kind of put it together with the HTTP and kind of nest them if you wanted to, and you can see the build up, you know, the session being established. You can see the GET request, and then you should see it tearing down that connection. Now you could also do this with graphical tools. So Wireshark is a great tool to analyze packet captures. I don't really do that in this class. There's other classes I teach where I do use Wireshark to do that packet analysis, so you certainly could do that as well.